Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I've picked up some of these Jurassic World Rebirth Captives eggs and hopefully we can get the D-Rex. So yeah, this is just a short video that I'm putting together. I'll open one and then I'll open the others off camera. So here you just lift where it says pull and then you just pull it off. And you got a dinosaur egg. So here in this you got a Spinosaurus. But yeah, that's not what you came here for, the packaging. You came here for the egg. So the egg has been opened. Very hard to do on camera. So here that feels like the dinosaur, and that's the slime. I'm very glad that they kept it in a bag so it's not messy. Might do the slime a bit later, but let's see what's in this mystery bag. So now that the mystery bag is open, we can have a little peek inside there. Oh, it's the Quetzalcoatl as well. Has an interesting smell of paint. So I'm just going to assemble this. So here's the Quetzalcoatl assembled. It's actually got this really nice paint job on it. It's not too shabby at all. Oh, and it's got this cool, card here, which is, yeah, that's really cool. Like the shot from the trailer there. And got a Quetzalcoatlus backdrop there. Here is the back of it. You got some, this is a few of them. So you got the Mosasaurus, Pteranodon, Velociraptor, Sinoceratops, Ankylosaurus, the D-Rex exclusive, and the Spinosaurus exclusive. Here you got the T-Rex, Kentrosaurus, Quetzalcoatlus, which we just got over here, the Spinosaurus, D-Rex, and Compy. But yeah, I'm going to open the other eggs and we'll see what we get. After a bit of struggle, the other egg is open. We'll open the mystery bags all at once, or just these two. Open at the same time. So here is the aftermath. You got three slime over there, and you got eggs over here. Push that to the side. So we've ticked off the Quetzalcoatlus. Now let's see what's in this one. We got another flying reptile, but this time it's the Pteranodon. So we'll just assemble this guy. So here's the Pteranodon fully assembled. Reminds me of the Papo kind of, the way that they did the coloration. Reminds me of the Papo Pteranodon, which I actually might get out in a sec to do a comparison. Now let's open the third packet. So now we have a Velociraptor. Sadly, we didn't get the D-Rex or the Spinosaurus. Those are the ones that I was hoping to get, but it's okay. These are still very cool minifigures. So let's just assemble this. Here is the Velociraptor fully assembled. Looking very cool. Like the Jurassic Park 3 Velociraptor coloration. And ultimate test, does it stand? It stands! Yeah! Yeah, it stands. The Quetzalcoatlus and the Pteranodon just kind of like flop to the ground. They can't really stand. Oh, the Pteranodon can, but the Quetzalcoatlus can't. unfortunately. Yeah, that's unfortunate. But yeah, let's do a comparison with the Papo Pteranodon. So here is the Papo Pteranodon. Very, very, very good, like design and paint and stuff. So I'll show you what I was talking about. The wings, in a way, kind of remind me of the Papo one, but the Papo one is just insane, like 10 times better. Like it's in, but the thing is, you can't really get these anymore. Well, you have to be a special person, like a special professional for them or something like that. But yeah, that will have to wrap up this video. Cut that part out, Zach, please, because we're doing the slime. It's wet. It's really wet. So here we got the slime. It feels very wet. Oh my gosh. This is very interesting. Oh my god. Just like flops down. Make a blob. Make a blob. Oh, let's open the other slime bags. But the thing is, it's good. It doesn't, not to my knowledge, it doesn't stain. And it like all clumps together. It's not like some of the other slime eggs that I've seen. Alright, so here. Now the Quetzalcoatlus can stand. Yeah. Put them in all sorts of poses and just blob them all together. Blob. Blob. Blobbity blob blob. But yeah. That will have to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys enjoyed this different kind of video with slime. And I've gotten some Jurassic World Rebirth toys, so I'll be doing some very cool reviews on them. So I hope you guys enjoy those. And yeah, catch you in the next one, Spino Squad. Bye for now.